dude?
Exactly what you deserve.
Are you fucking kidding me, bro?
For what? For what?
Get
For what?
stand in front of a fucking bike again, dude.
For doing what?
You threatened my fucking safety, bro.
Are you kidding me?
I should knock you the fuck out right now.
Go ahead, knock me out. Go ahead. I've called the BPD. I've called them already because you've been driving around this fucking neighborhood like a fucking lunatic, ruining. There's kids riding around here. Go ahead. It's all on camera. Go ahead.
Are you drunk right now, bro?
Go ahead.
Are you drinking?
Go ahead. Call the police.
Out of your
Call the
fucking
police.
mind, dude.
Call the police.
You lucky I don't fucking knock you out, bro.
Go ahead. Knock me out. Go ahead. I called the police.
Unbelievable, dude.
I called the police. It's on camera. You're riding around here like a fucking lunatic.
I should have run you over, dude.
You did. You did. I'm in my house, taking my bike. You're driving around like a fucking lunatic. I called the police. And you leave now because you're a pussy. Go ahead, leave. Drive around the neighborhood because you're driving around like a fucking lunatic. And I'm going to put an assault charge on you. I'm going to put an assault charge on you. Assault charge on you, you fucking asshole. For these kids, you're an asshole. I don't care. Go ahead. Knock me over.
Fucking move, dude.
No. You. Go ahead.
Fucking out of your goddamn mind.
Right, fucking.
Stay down.
Okay, I'll stay down.
Fucking stupid.
That's assault. That's assault. Go ahead.
Jesus Christ.
I called the police. It's on camera. That's assault. That's assault. All in 911. Assault battery. You're so fucked, idiot. By the way, all on camera. You're assaulting me is all on camera.